Okay, and this question says, what is the relationship between mass and the gravitational force? So we graph these all the same way. We're just going to sketch them. So we're looking at mass and its effect on gravitational force. So mass is going to go on the bottom and force is going to go on the y, because we're saying that gravitational force depends on the mass. So once we've identified those, we look at our equation. The equation is F equals g m1 m2 over d squared. In this case, we're looking at just a single mass. So we're going to say mass number 1. We could say mass number 2 just as easily. When you're graphing these, you take the two things that you're graphing. In my case, force and mass 1. Everything else goes away. That goes away. That goes away. That goes away. Because they are assumed to be held constant. If you're increasing one variable, you want to keep everything else the same. So what that simplifies to is just F equals m. Okay, you should be able to recognize this relationship right away, but if you can't, remember F is on the y-axis, m is on the x-axis. So once you get it to this, you should recognize that, but if you don't, you generally have a graphing calculator. So you can say y equals x, and you can graph it. And as a result, you see the graph that's there, and it's a straight line up. So the relationship between mass 1 and force is a linear relationship.